Monday, January 2nd, 2023. First clear sky we've had in a while, and of course it's dominated by a 3/4 moon. There's also a neighboring Mars, which you probably can't see. Jupiter is just past culmination. I can basically make it out, and Saturn has drifted off. Now, I spent most of this evening mechanically realigning the mount to get the best tracking I could and bring the parameter values down in terms of the inaccuracies associated with the Gemini II mount, which is mostly based on the fact that the mount is in the observatory and I do not have an alignment with Polaris. But this is going to be a very brief video tonight, but I wanted to show you something pretty spectacular. This is one of my favorite galaxies, NGC 891, and I'm not going to give you any of the specifics on it right now. I just want to show you the dark, this almost perfectly edge-on galaxy. It's about 12 by 2 arc minutes and about magnitude 9. And even with the moon, look at the dark band right across the edge. The cold, dark matter of star formation, which just about every spiral galaxy has. Now what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to give a very brief view of this galaxy. And then once we lose the moon, hopefully I won't lose it as the solar year progresses and the sidereal clock keeps changing on me. But anyway, I am so pleased to have gotten a view of this galaxy from the observatory because I thought it was pretty far north. We'll run it by again once the moon is in abeyance, and I'll be able to compare the two. Now I did manage to turn up NGC 7448 as it drifts west. Didn't give a particularly good view, but I could make out the nucleus and some extensions. But look at this beauty. And if you're an amateur astronomer, anything with a 6-inch telescope on a decent night of seeing should be able to reveal the dark band. And you should get out there and do it optically. But I expect to get a stupendous view of 891 in Perseus, actually on the border of Perseus and Andromeda. Whoop, we just had a satellite passage. Anyway, so you notice all the sparklies all over the screen. That is because the moon is putting quite a bit of luminosity into the atmosphere, and any water vapor up there is reflecting it back down to the telescope. So anyway, I am so surprised by the quality of view of Edge-on Galaxy, Spiral Galaxy NGC 891 that I just, even though I did not plan on doing any videography tonight, just had to share it with those of you who are following this series on Golden Phoenix Publishing. Carpe Noctem.